Primetime news tonight, murderous rampage, 9 killed in separate gun attacks in Westmoreland. Big gun find at the ports, 6 high-powered weapons among 20 guns seized. And JTA blasts education minister over proposed code of conduct.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green is here with a preview.
Thank you, Janella. Well, the central bank has announced that Jamaica's net international reserves has reached an ideal level. We'll tell you what that means for planning and the economy in the business day.
And from business to Jordan Fort at the Sports Desk.
Yes, Archie, the Reggae Girls are currently having a training session as we speak as they ramp up preparations to get ready to face Chile in a friendly international on Thursday. I'll tell you more about that and more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Thank you so much, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the proposed code of conduct for teachers and school boards?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.